Kedonganan, Kedonganan.
Beri baca kami lah.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Kedonganan, one fishing village in south of Kuta area. So today we will explore how the situation right there in fishing village south of Kuta in Bali. Okay guys, let's keep stay in touch until the end of this video. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will drive around to Jimbaran Bay. It's like one village in Kedonganan. It's very famous for fishing village in Bali. This location is around 20-minute driving from Kuta or about 10-minute driving from airport. It's not so far, just like this fishing village just exactly south part of Denpasar airport. And beside the fishing village, there is a restaurant on the beach we call Jimbaran Bay. It's very famous for the tourism. Jimbaran Bay is main seafood restaurant. Okay, now we reach the fishing village in Jimbaran or Kedonganan village. It's look very busy, isn't it? I took this video in the morning around 7 a.m. and actually this fishing village is open start from 5 o'clock early in the morning. They already some do activity. You see this area, there is a lot of people, isn't it? In the left side there is fish market and right side traditional fish market on the beach. And today we will explore fish market beside the beach and how the people do activity in this area. Okay guys, enjoy the video until the end. Okay guys, once again I want to say thank you very much for your support on this channel. You're already watching this video and subscribe this channel. And if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video.
Apa itu? Ayo, tolong Pak Bayus. Kualitas barang saya ini.
For fishing village south of Kuta in Kedonganan, there is traditional fish market. And this traditional fish market is open 2 times a day, in the morning and in the afternoon. In the morning, they start from 5 a.m. until 11 a.m. And in the afternoon, they start from 3 p.m. until 6 p.m. This traditional fish market always busy every day because we can get fresh fish every day in this fish market. So what do you think? It looks so busy, isn't it? There's lots of people around here.
Pakun. Ah? Pakun. Enggak boleh nomor kok.
And mostly the seller is around 95% is a woman. You see, it look like all women selling the fish in this fish market. You see, there is a lot different fish in this fish market. All the fish look so fresh.
Ayo yang kucing aju kenyar ada yuk yang kenyar.
You see, there is a lot of people look so busy in this fish market. And if you see the background of the ocean, it's very beautiful. And there is a lot of boat fishing, parking right there.
Kucing.
Okay guys, so this is the situation in fish market Kedonganan, Jimbaran Bali, south of Kuta. If you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video. And please don't forget to hit the bell because I will always explore Bali culture and tourism. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.